PayU is a regulated entity, and therefore risk management and fraud prevention is one of the biggest value that we add into the system. So with the use of AI, we've been able to up our quality of fraud monitoring substantially. I'll just give you one example to drive home the point. When a merchant applies to become a merchant for PayU, historically we would have a manual agent pull up their website and look at their website to make sure that the line of business and everything that they claimed on the application is indeed what they do. And they would look at every item on the page to make sure that no prohibited item is being sold and things like that, which is a very manual process, as you can imagine. Today we have Gen AI. The AI goes to the website and based on what is being sold and what is provided, can predict what the LOB is, and then if it matches what the application is, then they're good. And also goes through every item on the website to make sure prohibited items are not sold. So it's brought in a lot of efficiency, and our turnaround time to onboard a merchant has come down dramatically. And another thing is, when you onboard, historically we would do all of this, but 6 months later if the merchant starts selling something that's prohibited, it would be not feasible for us to manually keep reviewing. But now with AI, you can kick off the job every regular frequency to make sure that the compliance is still there. Historically, if you see the adoption of data-driven solutions, e-commerce and financial services has always been sort of in the forefront because of a few reasons. One is we just have rich data that a lot of other industries don't have in a way you can process. And there is also monetary use cases to be able to invest into building these solutions. Something that I think will happen very quickly in the lending space, for example, is manual underwriting. See, today what happens is the manual underwriter has to look at all the data that's available and provided by the loan applicant and pick out what is not matching. Right? But with AI, at least the direction of travel is AI should be able to pick up and process all the documents and then be able to say, hey, you know what, for this customer, this is probably the question you want to ask, and this is probably the decision you want to take. So I think we will get there very soon.